Hi everyone, it's Simon Keeling here at sailingweather.co.uk, the Sailing Weather Information Service and weatherweb.net. It is Thursday the 3rd of July. Thanks again for watching. This is your sailing weekend and week ahead outlook. Now, thanks to so many of you who've been getting in touch saying how much you like what we're doing here at sailingweather.co.uk. I'm adding more services all the time, more regions, and some really exciting developments to come that I'm just trialling at the moment, which I'm hoping that you're really going to like. Now, lots of you are feeding back saying, can we have this, can we have that, can we have various different areas added, can we manipulate the data into this format, etc. And I've been responding to those requests throughout the week, but I want to hear more from you. I want this service to be what you want it to be. So please do use the contact form on the left hand side of the site here. Get in touch. Tell me what you'd like to see, and we can try our best to add the areas that are most relevant to you and the information that you want to see as well. So let's take a look at how your sailing weekend is going to be shaping up. So then for today we've got a southwesterly flow affecting much of the country through the course of Thursday. That is bringing with it some more brisk southwesterly winds than we've seen for some time. Through the channel with southwesterlies blowing at around a 4. Off the southeastern coast of England, southwesterlies here at a 4 to a 5. Through the Irish Seas where it really picks up, southwesterlies here 5, occasionally a 6 over the western coast of Wales. Western parts of Scotland, southwesterlies here at a 6, occasionally even getting up to a 7. Eastern Scotland, southwesterlies at 6s, eastern England southwesterly at a 5. Plenty of cloud around, and visibility deteriorating out here in the west as this warm front moves in, becoming moderate or poor during the course of this afternoon. And then for a Friday, well, bit of a change there, you can see. Look, this front coming in from the west, bringing some pretty heavy rain with it and moderate or poor visibility as that rain arrives. Winds increasing ahead of it too, becoming strong with gale force gusts running ahead of that. But at first, for the eastern channel, we are going to be into southwesterlies at 3s. That'll increase to a 4 later on, possibly watch for a low end 5. Western channel, southwesterlies here 5s, but increasing up to 6s and possibly gusting up to 7, perhaps even get ready for an 8 on the leading edge of that front. The Irish Sea, southwesterly 6s, but easily up to a 7 and gusting up to an 8 on the leading edge of the front. And again, Western Scotland starting off southwesterlies, I think 7s here, gusting up to an 8, but then becoming behind the front, look, westerlies at around a 6, and similar for Ireland behind the front, westerly at 6 once that front clears. Eastern parts of Scotland, southwesterly here 6s, but easily getting up to 7, perhaps even gusting up to an 8 in the evening. And eastern England, southwesterly at 5, but increasing 6s, occasionally up to a 7 late on. And don't forget those gusts as the front comes through late on in the evening, getting up to gale force even here. And then as we move through into the weekend, Saturday sees that front still lingering around the eastern channel on Saturday. Southwesterlies here at 6s with a risk of moderate to poor visibility and some showery outbreaks of rain. The eastern channel goes more into a westerly by then at a 5 or a 6, and the Irish Sea goes southwesterly, top end 4 to the low end of a 5, but probably picking up to a 6 late on. Western Scotland, Western Ireland, southwesterlies here 5s, becoming 6s quite easily, I think, for both areas, and some pretty hefty showers moving in, a risk of the odd rumble of thunder for Western Scotland, Northern and Western Ireland. Eastern Scotland, much lighter winds here, we're looking at westerly, perhaps even northwesterly at a 3. Eastern England, westerlies at 3s or 4s, having been 5s and 6s overnight as that front cleared. And then on to Sunday, and for Sunday we're looking at the threat of low pressure being just west of Scotland through Sunday. It brings brisker winds, so the channel we're looking at southwesterlies at 4s or 5s in the east. I think southwesterly 5s, occasionally up to 6s in the west, and through much of the Irish Sea, southwesterlies here at 6s, could even gust to a 7 at times. Western Scotland, well, quite cyclonic really, and looking at speeds of around a 5, perhaps even a 6 at first, but decreasing as the low gets closer. And then for Western Ireland, west northwesterlies here at 7s, possibly touching an 8 on those western coasts. Eastern parts of Scotland, southerly here at a 5. I think eastern coasts of England we're looking southerly, then becoming southwesterly at a 5, but a 6 offshore. Best of the conditions always through eastern and southern areas where there'll be some good spells of sunshine. Further west, though, is where I said we're going to see those heavier showers. And then as we look a little bit further ahead into the start of the new week, if you're planning on sailing through the new week, on to Monday. And for Monday, we're looking at a lighter pressure regime on Monday. So I think what we're going to find is probably westerlies in the eastern channel at 3, west-northwesterlies at 4s in the western channel, 1 or 2 showers here. So the Irish Sea, west-northwesterlies at 4, perhaps occasionally a 5 with a mix of sunshine and showers. For Scotland, most of the showers here, westerlies at 5s. Eastern Scotland, though, southwesterlies at 3s or 4s. And for Eastern England, southwesterly here at 4 as well. And just a case of sunshine and scattered showers through Monday. And for Tuesday, much the same really. It's a case of sunshine and scattered showers on Tuesday. Most of them western Scotland, northwest England. 1 or 2 heavier ones further east though. Winds generally a west to west-northwesterly at a 4 through much of the channel, although there will be up to a 5 in the western channel and the southern Irish Sea. Most of the Irish Sea west-northwesterlies at 4s or 5s. Western parts of Scotland, westerly here at a 4. Western parts of Ireland, westerly at 6s. Eastern parts of Scotland, westerly about a 2 or a 3. And eastern parts of England, westerly at a 3, perhaps just nudging up to a 4. And then Wednesday, well, see if you can spot the difference for Wednesday. There's not much, is there, really? It's a case of sunshine and showers once again. The wind's probably going more into a northwesterly. Northwesterlies at 4s through the channel. May well just get up to a 5 in the western channel. Northwesterlies at 4s through the Irish Sea. West-northwesterlies at 5s. Possibly a 6 for western Scotland, but westerly at 4 in northern Scotland. Westerly at 4 for eastern Scotland, and northwesterly at around 4 in eastern England. Oh, and I should say west to west-northwesterly 6 across the western parts of Ireland. So hopefully that's been useful for you. Don't forget that you can get the very latest area forecast for your area if you go to sailingweather.co.uk, which is of course where you're watching this video through. Select your areas down the left hand side here. Just click on any one of those and you'll be able to then select your area forecast. So just click down and your area forecast will show there. They're updated twice daily. Also on there you can get your bespoke forecast. So if you are planning a specific trip and you want a forecast specifically for your vessel, for your route, for your plans, we can help you plan when to start your journey. Just click on bespoke forecast down the left hand side here. Click on buy now and you can request your forecast and we'll write a forecast specifically for you, and that includes the availability for you to give us a call and chat to the forecasters as well. So lots and lots of services for you, and adding more areas all the time, and some really exciting developments to come for you over the next week or so. So whatever you're doing, I'll leave you with that for now. Have a great sailing weekend, and thanks again for watching. Keep the sun shining, and don't forget to check back for your forecasts throughout the weekend here at sailingweather.co.uk. Bye for now.